Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in a smart car. This is a 2008 model. I believe it's the same from 2008 through 2013. It might also work for the ones above or before that. What you'll need is the air filter. The part I have is from Ultra Power. It's 49301. I got it from Rock Auto for like $3, and then there's another $2 for shipping. You can also buy it on Amazon for like $10 to $20, and you also need a flathead screwdriver. From the back, we'll just hit the unlock twice, press this button right here, this opens. There's two tabs, one right here, one right here, that will push, and then this whole thing just comes down. Then looking over here, we have this mat that we have to lift up, so that just comes up. There's this clip that holds this entire mat in place, so we'll just latch that on like that. There's also this piece in the middle that we have to remove, so we'll flick it up and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, and then this whole thing just comes out, and then we can see the engine. What we're going to do is loosen this clamp, so we're going to take our flathead screwdriver, just loosen it, but you don't have to necessarily remove it. So once that's loose, we're just gonna pull this. It's on pretty tight too. Just use your body to lean to it. So I got it off. There's 3 clips, one right here, one below this, and one right here. You can just use your fingers to pry it out. So we're gonna push this down, pull this up, and this slides right up. You take your old filter out and just look at this. This is filthy in comparison to the new one. This thing's pretty filthy, and there's like debris in here. Replacing it should help with increasing MPG and throttle response. So we'll take our new filter, drop that in there. As you guys can see, there's these teeth and there's grooves that this needs to lock in down there. So what I found to be easier is actually putting the hose on first and then feeding that in, because if you put this in first, you're gonna have a hard time pushing this hose back on. So you're just gonna slip this in back here. You actually want to go over the teeth, so I'm just going up high, and then it makes it easier to put this back on. So just wiggle that on, and then remember that teeth that we talked about? You want to pull this air box towards you and also down so that the teeth lock. So once that's in, if you try pushing the back of the top piece that we just put in, it's not going to go anywhere because it's in those grooves. So I just heard that click, so I'm feeling back here, and those teeth are in the grooves. So yeah, just make sure, feel all around, and make sure that everything is in. We're going to put these 3 clamps back on. So there's the one on the left, just push it in, clicks in. The one in the middle, might have dropped it, so you can use your screwdriver to pick it back up. That clicks in, and last one too. That clicks in, and then you gotta tighten this back. Put it back in place. Use your flathead screwdriver and tighten it. Again, make sure this is tight. Check these 3 clamps. Make sure that the airbox, those teeth made it in, and that this is secure. So there you go.